welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a food that a cat loves. Sorry, my cat is not red. And probably you guessed it, it's Garfield's lasagna. For making our lasagna we're not going to make the dough from scratch for now. So we will need lasagna plates. The best is if you have fresh ones, even better if you make them yourself, but also the dry ones work. We're going to make our own ragout. For the ragout we need half and half. Half minced meat from pork and half minced beef. I took 250 and 250 grams. We will need olive oil, tomatoes, wine. For the sofritto we need an onion, celery and carrots, salt and pepper. And for the bechamel we need 100 milliliters of milk, 50 grams of butter and 50 grams of flour and some nutmeg. So now let's get to it. Let's start by chopping up our vegetables. Now that our vegetables are nicely chopped, we will start making the sauce. So first we heat up a frying pan. We add our oil, approximately 1 tablespoon. We add our veggies. Approximately 100 milliliters are enough, and you can choose whether you want it white or red. Now we wait until the wine has evaporated, and then we add our tomato sauce and some milk. Now it's time to add our tomato sauce and approximately 1 liter of water. Add some salt and pepper, and after more or less 1 hour, we are good to go. And here we have our finished sauce. For our bechamel sauce, it's very easy. We take 50 grams of butter, stir in 50 grams of flour, and then add 100 milliliters of milk. The proportions are always 1 to 2. Meaning that the milk is always double than the flour and the butter. Stir until it thickens, then add some nutmeg, salt and pepper. And there you go. Now we make our lasagna. First we take some bechamel and place it at the bottom of a form. Then we put over our lasagna plates, followed by the meat or sauce. Here, if you are using a vegetarian variation, you use your sauce. If you want to do ricotta e spinaci with spinach and ricotta, you put that in, followed again by bechamel. But since Garfield is a cat, he does not really like a vegetarian version. And again. This is the last layer. You can also finish with just the pasta plates and the bechamel. But since we're Garfield, we have some more meat. Not to forget the cheese on top. Don't be shy with the cheese. Now the lasagna is ready for the oven. You can either bake it at 200 degrees for 25 minutes or at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. See you in a while. Here's our finished lasagna. ready to be cut and served. Remember, since we are Garfield, we have to eat it either with our face or with our hands.
Once again, my life has been saved by the miracle of lasagna.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you again next week. Bye!